Oruku community in Idemili North Council area has celebrated its 2025 New Yam Festival at Imobi, Oruku, heralding the beginning of the yam harvesting season and showcasing the kingdom's deep love for agriculture. Festus Obirika, who covered the event, reports that it attracted the cream de la cream of the society, including the chairman of Anambra State Traditional Rulers Council and Igwe Obosi Igwe Chidubem Iweka III, over 12 traditional rulers, Oruku indigenes both at home and in the diaspora, Otu Mokpo, among other dignitaries. Festus Obirika was on hand with the details.
The traditional ruler of Oruku, Igwe Dr. Barrister Ambrose Emeka Onora, who thanked God for this year's bumper harvest, which he said is the best, so described the festival as a catalyst for peace and unity in Oruku Kingdom and Igbo, and called on Nigerians to go back to agriculture in order to produce what to eat and sell, to curtail the nation's economic hardship, while applauding Governor Soludo for his developmental stride in the state. In their separate speeches, the Onowu of Oruku Kingdom, Chief Ifeanyi Chinedu, the newly elected President General of the community, Chief Emmanuel Olikeze, former PG, Architect Shedrack Onwasanya, Chief George Okolo, and Mr. Patrick Mojiku, who expressed joy over the peace and tranquility that is existing in Oruku Kingdom, thank God for his blessings and protection upon the town's tradition and culture, and called on Oruku indigenes to embrace agriculture as only way to cushion the effect of economic hardship ravaging the country. The Oruku 2025 New Yam Festival, which commenced with Holy Mass, features cutting and eating of the New Yam by Igwe Onora in company of his 8 obis, presentation of prizes to the best yam farmers, a display of masquerade, among others. For Oruku, Festus Obirika for ABS News.